Hey, what's up everyone? Ryan Murray here with Plugged. I started this channel after I bought my 2013 Tesla Model S. I already have a couple YouTube channels that have to do with my artwork. If you want to check those out, I'll link them down below. But today I'm super excited because I have a 2013 Model S, which, if you know anything about Teslas, they did not come with the center console. So it's just a big empty hole. Here's some B-roll. I'm super excited. I ordered a new one from, I don't know how to say the company, TAPTES. I'll link the product down below, and I'll put something up here somewhere that has the correct name. But I ordered one from them. It came in today finally. So we're going to unbox it, put it in, see what it looks like, and I can't wait. Here we go. Alright, we are here in our sunroom now. Finally gonna get this open. Check it out. I ordered this, it seems like forever ago, but it was probably only a couple weeks ago. It looks really good. It's got the stitching like the rest of the car. It feels just like the rest of the car. Alright, that panel looks good. Get this other one out. It looks good, just like the other one. What else do we got in here? I love how it's packaged up really well. Pick this up. Get the box out of the way. Looks like we've got some directions here. Some instructions. Set those to the side. I'm curious to know how many of you have ordered this exact same one. Let me know down in the comments if you've ordered it, what you think about it, and let me know if you're thinking about ordering one. Get this ripped open. I'm ready to get it in the car. Shipping did take forever, but it came from Hong Kong, so I expected it to. The packaging is really nice. Kept it safe, which is great. You don't want to get something new and there be something wrong because it was packaged shitty. Almost there. All right. There is the main part of the console. Set that to the side. See what else is in here. These are just the little pieces for the cup holders that go inside. All right. So there should be 4 of these. There are. Alright, there it is. It's unboxed. Nice. Nice little velvet fill in there. I like this. It's soft to the touch like the rest of the car. It's a little bit harder, but it's nice. It's a nice touch to it. And my car happens to have the glossy black inserts on the dash, so this is going to match perfectly. Alright, now that I'm looking at it a little more, I took this piece out to look under it. And it's just coming off. Not glued in very well. Which is fine. I'll just glue it on, but kind of hoping you could just get it and pop it in your car and there's no issues. But small things. Alright, let's go to the car and get this set up. Alright, well, the instructions seem pretty simple. Just insert the main body. No need to insert two-sided leather panels first. Adjust to the right position so the holes fit for the USB down here. And then pretty much just mount the sides on and put your cup holders in. So let's see if it's that easy. Okay. Let's get this down in here. Try not to scratch anything. Seems like when I get it pushed back where it needs to go, it won't stay. It just keeps popping forward. I don't know if those side panels will help with that, or what it is. Guess we can try to pop them on and see if that helps. Can't tell if that's on or not. Doesn't seem like it. There we go. I think we've got this side on. Let's try the other one. It's just not wanting to go in. Man. Definitely hoping that this would be easier. I'm sweating everywhere. Turn the AC up in here. Sorry if you guys can hear that, but this was crazy. Alright, I think we're done. It's in there. It's not fun to get in there, but it's in there. Okay, so now that I took this piece off to figure out how to put my charger in there for the phone, I've realized that you have to buy another piece for that. I'm not sure why I'm surprised, but let's just put this back together with what we have. Alright, so I've glued this piece like 3 times. it's still not great. So I'm still putting it in there, but I just feel like when you're buying something like this, it should probably just be glue good enough that you don't have to worry about it. I mean, it's not something like, I know it's not OEM, so it doesn't fit perfectly, which all that is fine. It does actually fit perfectly once I've got everything put together. It's just a weird quality issue. But anyway, let's get these cup holders in here. There's different slots in there, and looks like something that would hold CDs. This car doesn't have a CD player, so it's clearly just for these, but so you can arrange them however you need. If you want to fit bigger bottles, or if you have other things that you want to put in there, they make it so you can organize those in different ways. I'm mainly just wanting cup holders, so I don't have to keep using my armrest cup holders, and I can actually use the armrest. So that is awesome. And there's still plenty of room way up here. I don't know if you can see that. To put whatever else you need to store in there that you would normally use this junk drawer for, which is nothing but your armrest. Alright, let's take this plastic off. I feel like I'm making a new phone. So satisfying. And like I said, I have black my trim on the dash. It literally just fits in perfect. Super pleased with it, minus the glue issue. Well, and I guess that I have to buy a piece if I want to use the little cool phone holder for a charger. Not surprised, but just annoyed. I guess I just didn't read that, so might be hitting up whatever that says. TAPTES, so I don't know how to say it. Sorry guys, but it's in. I like it. Excited to have something besides just the bottomless pit that was there. So here's the first project on the Tesla. I've got some lowering links coming. Hopefully do some wheels, because the wheels on this are shite. But there it is, guys. All right, I've got it in there. It was not easy. I'm sweating. I don't know if you could see that. It was pretty rough, but we got it in. Hey, thanks for checking out my first video on my Plug channel. Let me know what you thought about it. It's pretty raw. I'm used to doing art, drawing on my channels, and then talking about my art, so I'm excited to do some more updates to my car, talk more about buying a used Tesla, and hopefully learn more about EVs myself with this being my first one. Excited to meet all of you guys, and any advice I will take. Super happy to take advice. But it's nice meeting everyone. See you next time.